Hello everyone, my name is Cristian. You know me a lot of automation with UiPath. I did a lot of stuff with ChatGPTs, with GPTs, and today we'll show you a use case with UiPath Autopilot that will work with NetSuite. So I have here my NetSuite instance. I have three processes that are connected to the NetSuite, and from Autopilot we'll call these processes. So let's say that give me the list of orders from NetSuite. The system will understand my command, and based on my command, he will go and analyze the process. I have multiple processes inside, and you can see here that he identified the process with get NetSuite get list. That will provide me the purchase order. So we'll have here, I have the instance of NetSuite, so we'll get in the autopilot, we'll get a nice view with my purchase order from NetSuite. Let's see what we have. Okay, so I have here a table, and these are the purchase order in a very nice shape. Let's provide detail from order number 2. So give me details for order number 2. Number 2 from NetSuite. I say that this stuff with NetSuite because I have in the same autopilot, I have also processes with SAP, and he can call also the processes from SAP. Yeah, so that's why I provide this stuff. So these are the details from order number 2. Let's see on the interface. So on the interface, the order number 2 has one item. I think has an iPhone. Yeah, you say you have an iPhone 15 here. Okay, let's see what is displayed on the on this one. So we have number 2, one item, and that's the item with ID and so on. Okay, let's create order similar with number 2, but I want as quantity 3 items, 3 pieces. Okay. Basically, the system will identify the order. He take all the data from there, and he put the quantity 3 pieces. And here the system will create an order. Everything is working via REST API. So I get the data from the NetSuite via REST API. It's sending the data to the NetSuite via REST API, and now it's composing everything to NetSuite, send the data via REST API, and we'll check. I explain in I have here another process where I explain everything with GPTs, and I explain also the processes, how they're inside and so on. Yeah. So everything is here. I will stay only on the business side of the process. Yeah. So you see, we have an order with three items created, and the order number is this one. Let's see if we go into NetSuite. If we hit refresh to this one, we hit refresh, and we have the this order with quantity three iPhones and so on. Yeah, so he created this one. Let me show you something else. So here I have an order where I have multiple items. So let's interrogate from ChatGPT to give detail for this order to see how do you display this order. Yeah. So give me details about order number. Put it from the NetSuite directly. Is this one? Control C, Control V. Okay, and let's see how the UiPath Autopilot will be able to display an order that has 9 items. Yeah. So you can see until now it was a very nice display of the data inside of the autopilot with simple prompts. You have the table with details, and you have all this stuff. And here he built a very nice order. So he built a very nice table with details, all the items, the this and everything. So in this way, with a very small automation, Autopilot is able to manage everything from NetSuite and you can do a lot of stuff just from prompting. As usual, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Tell me what else you want to see on my videos. Stay safe. Have a good one. Bye bye.